Oliver, look, I have found it is a magic teapot.
Oliver lived in a cozy cottage by the woods with his grandma. One sunny morning, while helping his grandma clean the attic, he stumbled upon a dusty teapot. It had intricate patterns and a tiny clock on its lid, which was stuck at 3 o'clock. Grandma told Oliver that it had been passed down through generations, but no one knew its secret. As they polished it, the teapot suddenly started to whir and glow.
Hurrah, look, Oliver, we have come to pastime. It's a magic teapot and can show us many things.
After collecting the necessary time crystals, Oliver and Mr. Jennings returned to the present time. The teapot's clock was repaired, thanks to the newfound knowledge and courage they gained on their journey. Oliver realized that even though the past was fascinating, there was no place like home. He bid farewell to Mr. Jennings, who gave him a small time crystal as a keepsake.